In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word. So first, you need to open up a document inside Microsoft Word and then place your cursor where you would like to insert an image. And now once you've done this, you want to go up here to where it says Insert, and then Pictures, and then you have three options. You can either find online pictures by clicking Online Pictures over here, and then you will get some online pictures, which is powered by Bing, as you can see, and there are many different categories. Now you can, for example, select an animal. There we go. And then there are only Creative Commons over here, so you can use those images. I'm going to put, let's say, this one in, and you check on it, you kind of check it, click on it, and press Insert. And there we go, the image has been inserted. Now the second option is to go over here again and find some stock images, which is basically pretty much the same as online images. So it searches for stock images online. You can find whichever one you like. Let's say one of these flowers. Click on it, press Insert, and that's been inserted in. And the third and final option you have is to go inside Pictures again and insert a picture from this device, so from your computer. Now, if I go over here inside Downloads, I've just downloaded an image, okay? And if I click on it and press Insert, that's the third way of inserting an image, and that's pretty much it.